Hi everyone, I'm Ali. This episode is going to be about hanfu hairstyle. So for girls, when they wear hanfu, they usually have their hair up in an updo. But for someone like me who has really fine hair and not a lot of hair to begin with, it's hard to achieve the fuller look. So we need something like this. It's basically fake hair in the shape of a croissant. And therefore they're called croissant in Chinese. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, design, and styles, and each have their own pros and cons. So in this video, I'm going to test them one by one on my hair and show you the result. But everyone's hair and face shape is different, so it's going to look slightly different on each person, and this video is only going to be a reference video for you. First, I parted my hair in the middle. I didn't blow dry my hair or put any products in, so there's not much volume right now. This step is to help keep these hair pads stay securely in place. Part each side of your hair vertically by the ear. Tie up the front sections to keep them out of the way, and then make a tight ponytail in the back. We'll pin the hair pads on the dividing line, and then cover it with our real hair. Let's begin with the smallest one. It's made of Velcro material on the front and the back, with a removable hair clip in the middle. It's pretty thin. The clips it came with in the middle are not the best in the world, so I usually take them out. Velcro actually grabs onto your hair and helps them hold in place. The result is super natural looking, almost to the point of not being able to notice any differences. You can use it on a daily basis. One thing though, it hurts when you press on it against your head because of the Velcro, so be careful with that. And taking them out requires a little bit of extra effort. Velcro is good at staying in place, but not when you want to make minor adjustments. These are sponge pads. It's bigger and thicker than the one from earlier. It only has a strip of Velcro on the front and the same hair clips on the back. Except this time it won't hurt when you press the clips down. The result is also very natural looking, but much fuller compared to before. It's very versatile. You can use it when going out or doing fancy hairstyles. And it doesn't create much problems when taking it down. This is a round sponge pad. It's in irregular circle shape with a strip of Velcro on both the front and back. It's easy to penetrate with bobby pins, but it'll leave marks and sometimes holes in it. Good thing is you won't see it once the hair covers it up. The result is probably the most natural looking one. Because it's round in shape, the transitions look natural from all angles. You can get the volume you always wanted without looking like you're trying too hard. These are the so-called croissant or crescent hair paddings. It's foldable and made of very dense synthetic hair, so it's hard for bobby pins to penetrate, which means it's going to be hard to secure it on your hair. I think this 10cm one is probably a better fit on children's hair. The two bumps make me look like Chun-Li. This is a longer version of the crescent padding. It's also foldable. The overall result looks better than the last one. Because of its 4 cm thickness, I used them in more extravagant hairstyles, such as the one I did in the Tang Dynasty video. I added one more piece in the middle and hair accessories to complete the look. These are sponge crescent paddings. In comparison, they're roughly the same length and shape, but this one is thinner. It's foldable and more flexible. It's made of sponge material, so it's a lot easier to penetrate, which means you're going to have a much easier time securing them using bobby pins. I think the result is the best among the 3 crescent paddings. Make sure to pin down the 2 round ends to make the transitions look smoother. The paddings I tried on today are designed to be worn on the sides. Of course, you can use your imagination and repurpose them however you like. I hope everyone will find their best fit. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. I'll be making more videos on traditional Chinese culture, beauty, and fashion. See you next time.